Okay.
Hi, my name is Randolph Alcaide from BHM2 Blackport. Ang aking topic ngayon ay poverty. Hindi naman nabago sa atin ang salitang poverty o kahirapan, hindi ba? lahat naman ng tao ay alam ang salitang ito. Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang ito, ang unang pumapasok agad sa ating isipan ay mga taong naghihirap sa ating bansa. We can define poverty as condition where the basic needs of the family like food, clothing, and especially the education. A poor person is not able to get education due to lack of money, and especially sa mga taong walang trabaho kaya unemployed dahil sa kahirapan, they cannot able to buy enough like nutritious food for their family. Sa mga walang trabaho is still remain poor only. Thus we can say that poverty is root of cause of other problem. So, bakit nga ba naghihirap ang mga tao? Just because hindi pantay ang mga trato ng iba sa mga tao. They are not equal treatment. That other reason is hindi nila tinututukan ng mga mahihirap, kundi mas lalo nilang nilulugmok sa kahirapan. Just like example sa mga gobyerno, pinapansin lang nila ang mga mahihirap kung sila nangangampanya. Pagkatapos ng halalan, hindi na nila ulit pinapansin ang mga mahihirap. Dahil nakuha na nila ang vote ng bayan, lahat ng pinangako nila hindi na nila matutupad o tutuparin. That other reason why have poverty in our country because the corruption. Imbis na ang pondo ay para sa mahihirap, ay inaangkin ng mga politiko. Let's talk about the effect of poverty. So, poverty is affect the life of poor family, which is true. Just like what I said earlier, that cannot able to take for proper food, nutrition, and also they cannot find the proper job because they cannot finish their study. They cannot graduate, kaya they cannot enter the proper job, just like big company, so that they cannot support their family and also their children. Never get proper schooling, proper nutrition also. So some of they involve crimes. So as murder, the robbery, and so on, dahil sa kahirapan. To lessen poverty in our country is we help someone need our help as we can. Let's treat them equal. Let's treat them equal, even that poor or rich, as disability and so on. Wag natin silang mas ilugmok sa kahirapan. Bagkus tulungan natin silang umangat. Wag natin silang hilain pababa, and also wag natin silang husgahan ng isang tao base sa antas ng kanyang buhay or educational status. Hindi man sila nakatapos sa pag-aaral, bakit hindi natin sila bigyan ng isang pagkakataon para ipakita ang kanilang kakayanan. May karapatan din silang magtrabaho. So, help for family to lessen poverty in our country. And also, to help poor people, we can simply donate our old clothes. We can also sponsor the educational and of a poor children. Para naman maranasan nilang pumasok sa paaralan at mag-aral for free teaching. Huwag tayong magsayang ng pagkain. Remember, before wasting food, somebody is still sleeping hungry.